Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Odyssey Touring. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take it for a tour. This also does have LED headlight surrounds. If they appear to be flickering in the camera, that's the refresh rate of my camera, not the lights themselves. It doesn't do that to the human eye. You do have alloy wheels on this van. You also have that additional seat in the second row that's removable. So right now it's set up to seat 8. You see you have the entertainment package back there with, it's like a free copy of Home Alone 2. Power liftgate. It also has LED fog lights down below. There's that second row, all leather. You have cup holders and an HDMI cable right there, and additional power supplies. And there's your LCD screen. You see that you also have window screens that pull up on the other windows back here. And close that up. It does have 2 driver presets. There's your VIN right there, and I'll add still shots of that as well. See if we didn't catch that all at one time, then there you go. Okay. And in order to see this a little bit better, I'm going to go ahead and take you up here first. We're going to close the sunroof. Right over here, you have your sunglasses holder or your conversation mirror. All right. Coming down here, you're going to see that it only has 4,068 miles on this vehicle. You have your paddle shifters, you have your push to talk, your cruise control, and your other stereo settings. You got your push button start. Go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me. You hear the stereo sounds fantastic. And you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, which we're not going to run through the updates right now because we're not connected through our phone. So you can connect through your phone. We're going to see the backup camera. Here we go. There we go. It does have an HD backup camera with guides. And then down here you'll see that it has heated front seats. There's your automatic start stop and your other traction control and econ. Come down here, you got your Blu-ray player, and you do have a 115 volt outlet in here, which is very cool. And then you also have your 12 volt and USB. Coming up above, you have your glove compartment. And that about wraps it up for this Honda Odyssey on the interior. Oh, as you come down, I do apologize. You're gonna have your key fob down here, cup holders, and additional power supplies and outlets down in there, along with additional stowage. And this particular Honda does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front. And get the camera to go over there. There's an impact here up front. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.